Hi, hello, and welcome to everyone. In this lesson, you are going to learn about C++ programming. But before that, we first learn what is programming language. A programming language is a language that allows humans to communicate with computers or machines. In other words and simple terms, we have a language to communicate with humans. Similarly, we have a language to communicate with machines. That is called as programming language. Two levels of programming language: high level programming languages, low level programming languages. High level programming languages. These languages provide a higher level of abstraction. These are closer to human thought and human language and allows programmers to write codes in human readable syntax. Low level programming languages. These languages provide a lower level of abstraction. These languages offers a direct control or manipulation over hardware and system resources. Examples of low and high level programming languages. High level programming languages such as Python, Java, C Sharp, Ruby, and JavaScript. Low level programming languages such as assembly language, Rust, C, C++. Applications of high level programming languages: web development, mobile app development, game development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and much more. Low-level programming languages are used in embedded systems development, operating system development, and many others. Now we are entering into the C++ programming. C++ is one of the most popular programming languages. It is a powerful general-purpose programming language that was developed as an extension of C programming language. C++ has both high-level and low-level programming abilities. It supports procedural, functional, and object-oriented programming. C++ is used for systems programming, such as operating systems. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and etc. Game development, embedded systems. What is embedded system? An embedded system is a microprocessor or microcontroller. It is a combination of computer hardware and software designed to perform a specific task. Next, C++ used in graphics and multimedia, scientific computing, compiler development, and much more. What is compiler? A compiler translates a source code into machine code. Machine code is a lower level representation that can be directly executed by computer's hardware. Advantages of C++: performance, which means the speed of execution; versatility, it is the ability to adapt; object-oriented programming, low-level features. C++ allows direct memory manipulation and access to hardware resources, and etc. Compatibility with C. C++ is backward compatible with the C programming language. C++ program can use C codes. Portability. C++ offers a certain level of portability, but it is not platform independent like some other high-level programming languages. Thank you.